In this multi-part tutorial, we'll explore using Codesys with Cytron IRIV PiControl. This includes the software installation required and methods to interact with the IRIV PiControl digital input, digital output, analog input. What is Codesys? Codesys is a development and runtime system used for programming and controlling industrial automation devices and systems. It is a popular software platform for the development of programmable logic controllers (PLCs) and other automation devices. Codesys stands for Controller Development System and provides a comprehensive set of tools for creating, configuring, and debugging control application. It is widely used in various industries, including manufacturing, energy, transportation, and building automation. To complete all parts of the tutorial, we'll need the following hardware: Cytron IRIV PiControl, momentary push button with integrated LED, 3.3 volt and 5 volt DC source, 24 volt DC power supply, and 22 AWG hookup wire. To complete this part of the tutorial, we'll need the Cytron IRIV PiControl. For the software part, first we need to download and install Codesys. The software can be downloaded from this link on screen now. This installation process is quite straightforward. Just follow through the on-screen instructions. While waiting for the Codesys to install, power up your Cytron IRIV PiControl and connect it to the same network your computer is running Codesys is connected to. Once the installation process is completed, launch Codesys. The first time you launch Codesys, your application should look something like this. Next thing we need to do is install the Codesys controller for Raspberry Pi package. Go to Tools, Codesys Installer. In the Codesys Installer window, click on the Browse tab, then type Raspberry Pi in the search field. Then choose Codesys Control for Raspberry Pi and click the Install button. Note, at the time of writing this tutorial, July 2024, it is recommended to use the Codesys Control for Raspberry Pi version 4.11.0.0. A confirmation window will pop up and just click the OK button. Next, a new window will pop up. Click the I accept the license agreement and click continue. Next, a new window will pop up asking to close the codesys.exe. Close the Codesys and click the OK button. Wait until the installation process completes and click the OK button. Now relaunch Codesys and go to Tools, Update Raspberry Pi. And in the following window, go to the Raspberry Pi tab. Click key in the following parameters and click Install. Username is Pi, password is Raspberry, IP address, the target IP address. And for the Codesys runtime package, just select whatever is available on your screen. If you're unsure about the IP address, click on the Scan button as shown in the figure on screen now to obtain the IP address. In the Scan window, click Rescan button to obtain the IP address. Alternatively, on your Cytron IRIV PiControl, you can open a new terminal window and type in ifconfig and find your IP address from there. Once the install button is pressed, a configure runtime window will appear. Take note if the selection is multi-core 64-bit or multi-core 32-bit. This will be important later when starting the new project. Click close. If you get this error that Codesys Edge Gateway for Linux not being installed, click yes. Once it's completed, a message is in the messages window stating Codesys control started, which indicates that the process was successful.